Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 60. Number 1. Erosion, invasions, division, elevation, mention. Number 2. Solution, dissolution, relations, stipulations. Number 3. Exception, impression, celebration, recitation, discussion, exclusion. Number 4. Specification, infection, navigation, relegation. Number 5. Occupation, Russian, occasion, education, obligation, lubrication. Number 6. Deputation, adaptation, imitation, presentation. Full stop.